Good morning! I am very hungry today. I will make a special lunch for the family. Let's gather everything I need. This bread is very fresh and soft. I must use the sharp knife slowly. The first slice is the base. Where is the jar of mayo? This layer is very smooth. Vegetables are important for Mike, Pat, Savory. Yeah. I wash the leaves to remove dirt. The lettuce is so crisp today. Chrissy likes sharp cheddar. Ooh. Her. 3 slices of cheese are enough. This tomato is ripe and red. The center is very juicy. This is a savory filling. I will stack the ingredients. Look at the beautiful layers. Mustard adds a tangy taste. I will add the lid now. Ooh. I press it to keep it together. The sandwich is enormous. Woo! I will cut it into halves. Pickles are salty and sour. Why Polleter so run? Lunch is ready for everyone. Chips are a crunchy treat. I need a cold beverage. The flavor is delicious. I must tidy the counter now. Cleaning is part of the job. Whoa! The afternoon is very bright. I am Listerpalerteka, going to the office now. I will drive my silver car. The engine is starting. The street is very peaceful. Ooh. I am at the building entrance. Hello? Hello? I have a delivery. Knock, knock. Are you there? Enjoy your yummy sandwich. How? It is time to go back home. The house feels very cool. I will wash the laundry now. The fruit is very sweet. No helpsies, why her? I love my family so much. Whoa! The sunset is so beautiful. This blanket is very cozy. I love reading in the evening. Go! This is a very interesting book. Everything is quiet tonight. Good night to the world. The moon is round and the stars are bright. I will have sweet dreams. I drove. I kept my home tidy today. A new day is beginning. The hands of the clock move for a fresh day. Life is very wonderful. Everything is perfect now. Sandwiches are fun. Sandwiches are fun. Goodbye. This is how we layer a sandwich. Peppers make it a bit spicy. The stick keeps it stable. I am packing the lunch. Packing lunch. The evening air is cool. I am finally home. Milk is a healthy drink. Good night to everyone. See you tomorrow. Goodbye.